Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session from the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about the Mississippi River. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is the Mississippi River one of the longest rivers in the world? Yes, it stretches over 2,300 miles. Does the Mississippi River flow into the Pacific Ocean? No, it flows into the Gulf of Mexico. Did Native American tribes use the Mississippi for fishing and trade? Yes, long before European settlers arrived. Did European explorers use the Mississippi to explore the interior of the continent? Yes, it was a key route for exploration. Did steamboats make cities like St. Louis and New Orleans major trade hubs? Yes, during the 1800s, steamboats transformed these cities. Does the Mississippi carry less than 10 million tons of cargo each year? No, it carries over 500 million tons annually. Does the river provide drinking water for millions of people? Yes, it's an important water source. Is the Mississippi River free from environmental concerns? No, it faces issues like pollution and flooding. Are there no efforts to balance human use and environmental protection? No, many conservation efforts are in place. Is the Mississippi River a major tourist and recreation destination? Yes, it attracts visitors from around the world. Be sure to watch the video multiple times to reinforce what you've learned, and subscribe to the channel so you stay updated on our next videos in this amazing series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.